This video will be demonstrating how to create a new project in Visual Studio, in this case, Visual Studio 2017. So I'm going to select either the Create New Project link here on the Start page, or I can go to New Project from the menu. Either way, it'll take me to the same place. So we want to create a web project, and we're just going to use the AspNet web application. I'm going to call this one Coding 4. And I'm going to put all my projects. I try to create a folder space on my system somewhere that I can keep things organized. So I'm going to create a new folder in my projects. And I already have a Web 180. I didn't remember if I had taken that off or not, but no problem. And I'm going to create let the system, once I could do that, I'll let it create a folder there and make that my working folder for this example. And I'm just going to select an empty web page or an empty website. I'm going to use web forms for this effort. And I'm not going to add unit tests for this simple little example and no authentication. So I click OK. And it is currently setting up the application to be worked on. The one thing I'm waiting to demonstrate or show you is that it does not create, notice there's no default or index page to start with. So I'm going to go ahead and close that start page, and I'm going to right click on Coding 04, and I'm going to add a new item. And I'm going to add a web form page using, and notice it says right there, Visual C#. And I'm going to call it default.aspx. So I'm going to add that. And it's doing all the creation work for us. Now, importantly, notice that there's a code behind page, a C# page, that supports this web page, default.aspx. If I open that, it is right there, all set up, ready to go. Notice because I named this project Coding 4, it's using a namespace of Coding 04 as well. And that's all we need to do to get going with our first working project with Visual Studio and working with AspX, ASP.NET, and C#